What is the proper way to use hydrogen peroxide to clean a humidifier?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn about a straightforward, effective way to clean your humidifier using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a fantastic cleaning agent that can help you disinfect and thoroughly clean your humidifier.
Why use hydrogen peroxide?
You might wonder why we'd use hydrogen peroxide instead of other cleaning products. Well, hydrogen peroxide is an excellent disinfectant. It is known to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi, ensuring that your humidifier isn't dispersing any harmful pathogens into the air.
What you'll need.
Before we start, gather up all necessary supplies. Here's what you'll need. 1. 3% hydrogen peroxide. Please make sure it's only 3%, as higher concentrations can be dangerous. 2. Clean, dry cloth 3. Warm water 4. Soft scrub brush or toothbrush.
Disassembling the humidifier.
First, unplug the humidifier from the wall outlet to ensure your safety. Then disassemble the humidifier according to the manufacturer's instructions. Usually, this includes removing the water tank and filter.
Cleaning with hydrogen peroxide.
Empty the water tank and pour a solution of equal parts 3% hydrogen peroxide and warm water into it. Secure the cap and shake the tank vigorously to ensure the solution reaches all corners. For the base and other components, soak a clean cloth in the same solution and wipe them down thoroughly. Use a soft scrub brush or toothbrush for tight corners and hard-to-reach areas. Leave the components to soak for about 15 to 30 minutes to let the hydrogen peroxide do its job.
Rinsing and reassembling.
After the soaking period, rinse the components thoroughly with clean water to make sure no hydrogen peroxide is left. It's crucial to remove all the solution to prevent it from becoming airborne when you use the humidifier. Then, dry all the parts completely before reassembling. Never reassemble a humidifier with wet parts as it could promote the growth of mold and bacteria. And that's it. A simple, easy method to clean your humidifier using hydrogen peroxide. We hope you found this video helpful. With this method, you can be sure your humidifier is always in tip-top shape, ensuring cleaner, healthier air in your home. Stay safe and happy cleaning!